Concur provides an option to assign a delegate in your user profile. A delegate is an employee that can perform work on the behalf of another employee in Concur. To assign a delegate, click on Profile, then Profile Settings. Under Request Settings, click on Request Delegates. Please note, request and expense share delegates. By assigning permissions to a delegate, you are assigning permissions to both request and expense. Click Add. Then start typing in the person's name that you would like to add. Once you find the correct person, click on their name. As a traveler, you will have 3 permissions: can prepare, can view receipts, and receives emails. By clicking on these options, this person can prepare travel requests and expense reports on your behalf, as well as view receipts and receive the same email notifications as you. However, please be aware that the delegate cannot submit the travel request and expense report for you. You will need to be the person to click the Submit button when ready. If you have approver permissions in Concur, you will also have a couple approver permissions to select to delegate to an employee if you choose to. For instance, if you're going on vacation and you would like to delegate an employee the permission to approve on your behalf during a certain period of time, you can click on Can Approve Temporary and select the time frame in which this delegate will be able to approve. Please make sure to also grant them Receives Approval Emails permission so they'll be notified when a request or expense report is pending their approval. If you are a Reports to Approver and you are delegating an employee an approver permission, please be aware that the employee already needs to have approver permissions in Concur and have the same or higher job classification as you in order to approve. There is also a previewer option. If you would like the employee to be able to preview travel requests and expense reports before you approve, you can give them the previewer permission. Please make sure to also grant them the Receives Approval Emails permission as well. The previewer will not have an option to approve. Their only options will be to send back to Traveler for corrections or forward to the approver for approval. Once you have made your selections, click Save. There is also a Delegates For tab, so you can see if someone has added you as their delegate. Please note, the audit trail will track any changes a delegate makes in Concur under their name, not the person they are delegating for. Now this delegate can begin working in Concur on your behalf. For example, to begin to delegate on another employee's behalf, click on Profile, then under Acting as Other Employee, type in their name or select the person's name below and click Start Session. Now you'll be working under this employee's behalf. Once you are done, click on the green bar and click Done Acting for Others. If you also want the delegate to book travel and Concur on your behalf, you will need to make them a travel arranger. Please check out our video on how to add a travel arranger for more information. Thanks for watching.